Wow!
落在我掌心。
Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Channel Real. Ang chubbiness na sexy. Yay! So happy weekends, guys. And sorry, I have decided to do another reaction video of our dear friend Shen. Yes, yes, yes. As I have said earlier, I have found a site wherein I can get some fan cam. So hopefully this one is also a copyright claim free. Okay, so sorry about this. Um, so I've found Shen's performance, and the song is entitled "The Sound of Falling Snow." And obviously, this is also a fan cam. So my apology if the video is not, it's not that clear. I have seen like a few clips. I don't think you will have any problem with that. So hopefully everybody will enjoy this as much as I do. And obviously, apparently this is a tour concert from a Beijing station. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I need to shut up now and I need to go to my favorite space so we can start doing our reaction video. Okay guys, so follow me. Hi mga Kokoko, we're back again to our channel, and yes, I am sat already on our favorite spot, and you know the drills already guys. In 3, 2, 1, action. Oh. Oh, he's wearing that old, yeah, that costume.
轻轻
Wow.
落在我掌心。
Chi Chi.
轻轻
Oh, it's very catchy now.
在掌中结冰，相逢是前世注定，痛并把快乐尝尽。
Nice. Right, hold up, guys. Right, okay. This is my routine now. I'm writing some notes so I won't be forgetting what I would like to say. Okay, so first of all, the costume. The costume, I've just realized this is the costume which he have wore when he did a performance called Doomsday Spaceship, something like that. I have done a reaction video of that performance, so I will be releasing that very soon. Okay guys, so as I've said, this is only my observation. So I presume that performance is in this concert, which is in Beijing station, I think. So secondly, the background is very soothing because obviously the title is "The Sound of Falling Snow." So as you can see, the aesthetic part of the stage is like this, like snow falling, which is really really nice, isn't it? I feel like really like sleepy whenever there will be like a sort of background who's got like falling things, like falling leaves or like winds, plus a magical voice, which is like Shen's does. Okay, so my third observation is I have said this on my previous reaction video, especially to Shen's performance. Most of the Chinese songs is it is like written in like a poem. This is just my personal observation. I'm not saying that every Chinese song is written by like a poetic type of writing. So as I've said, This is only my personal views and my personal opinion. Guys, disclaimer, I am not a professional singer nor a professional vocal tutor. Okay, so what I am saying now is a personal opinion and I am entitled to do that, especially it's in my channel. Okay, guys, but then again, this is our friend Shen, which is really, I am a massive fan, and obviously, I will keep on doing reacting to his performance. Okay, guys, so we need to go back and continue listening to his wonderful performance of the sound of the snow, the falling snow. Okay, guys, so we are going back.
闭着眼睛幻想它不
Yes.
会停，你没办法靠近，却不是太过近，只是贪恋窗外好风景。我慢慢地听雪落下的声音，仿佛是你贴着我脚轻轻睁开了。眼睛，
哇
满天的雪无情，谁来陪这一生好光景？
Nice.
明明
Yes, cherry blossom. Right, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up before he will do his crescendo on his performance. Right. The song for me, it sounded like a triumphal song or a love story. Why did I say that? Because the song is building up step by step, and now he is on a crescendo part wherein I think he is going to hit the high notes or just doing like a monotone sounds, which is really soothing in my ears. Obviously, I don't know you guys, but then again, on my ears it is very soothing. And the stage itself, oh my god, is that like a projector or I don't know how do you call that, because it is really nice. Plus there is also like a cherry blossom. I thought cherry blossom is most likely in Japan, but then again, hey, I have been to Beijing, but it was in summer and I didn't see any what do you call that, I didn't see the cherry blossom on that area. But then again, I would like to go back again to China and see also, some other part. I mean, I have enjoyed going to the Great Wall of China. I have been to this place wherein it's a sort of like there's a river and then you need to go across the river, and then that place has full of like pows. I'm salivating now. Right, okay, so we need to go back to Shen's performance so we can, do our full reaction on this video. Okay, guys, so we are going back.
假装那只是笔名，泪尽也不愿相信，此生如纸般薄
Yes.
闭着眼睛幻想它不会停，你没办法靠近，却不是太过近，只是贪恋窗外好风景。我慢慢地听雪落下的声音，仿佛是你贴着我脚。轻轻睁开了眼睛，漫天的雪无情。
Oh.
谁来陪这一生 好光景。
Guanchi. Nice. Right. Okie dokie. Right, so this is a really light performance of our friend. I have enjoyed it. My ears is giving like a positive views on it because it's really soothing on my ears. Yes, it is really soothing. Especially this is like a sound of falling snow, and I love snow very much. Especially when the snow just landed on the ground. It's really nice, isn't it? As I've said it earlier, I would like to go back to China and see all those things again. It's been like how many years now? 3 years since I've been there. So I wish to go back with my partner and in Beijing, hopefully to go there. And guys, I am going to do like shout out videos only to my Charlie's or Zhou Shen's fan club or followers. So hopefully you will be also supporting that video, and it is purely just like shout out and just a sort of like that. See if you guys will be supporting me on that video. Okay guys, so again, this is Chen Real. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please drop a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share this video, and guys, please, I am pleading, please do subscribe on my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll be updated on all the videos that I'm uploading almost every day. Okay guys, I would like to say also Mother's Day is nearly coming, and I have a video that I am going to release on Mother's Day. Hopefully guys, you will be also supporting that video. Okay guys, so this is Chan Real leaving you. Spread love in all forms. Okay guys, so bye.